Windows 10 security. I really don't think those two words go together very often. So that's why I'm here. I'm here to show you this tool right there, which is called WPD. WPD is a portable tool that's going to help you manage the privacy in your machine. You can also go ahead and delete a lot of apps that you don't use, which will definitely help out and make your machine faster, or the block your firewall or your third-party apps that you don't use a lot. Okay, so all you do is hit that download button right there. It's gonna go ahead and download right there as a WinRAR file, and I've already extracted in my desktop right there. It's portable as mentioned. The only thing you do is double click on it. It's gonna execute within a few seconds, and right there, this is the program. It's very simple. You have three options right there. You have the privacy option, blocker, and your apps. Let's go ahead and look at the privacy option first. Look at that. You have all of these services running. On each one of them, if you don't know what they're doing or what they are, you have a question mark, which will definitely tell you. Look at that. For example, on this one, this policy setting turns off the Windows customer experience. As you can see, it's going to go ahead and explain to you what it does and what it is as well. So just kind of go through that, and you can go ahead and delete all of them, disable all of them, I'm sorry. But then after that, you're going to have to reboot your computer. This is what I recommend. Go ahead and create a restore point. If something happens, you can definitely go back and boot up from that restore point, okay, that you created. So that was the first option there, which was the privacy. Now let's go to the blocker. On the blocker, you can go ahead and block your Windows Spy telemetry, extra, which are your third-party applications, and you can go ahead and turn off your Windows Update. And right there, you can also go ahead and turn off your firewall, as you can see right there. So that's a great feature. You just one click, you're able to go ahead and disable the firewall. And the last option of this app right there is, this is probably one of the ones that's the option that's really going to make a big difference on your machine. If you're going to go ahead and uninstall a lot of these apps, look at that. Some of these apps, I don't even know what they are. Look, for example, Norton Studio. I don't even have that. But somehow, some way, it's running on in the background of my machine. So if you wanted to go ahead and delete that, all you do is click right there, delete, select it. You can also go ahead and delete all of them, but I really don't recommend that. Just kind of go through each one of them and see what they are. And when you do this, you're probably gonna have to take a couple of probably about an hour or so, and just kind of go through, disable a couple of features, uninstall certain apps, and see how your machine is running as well. Okay, so those are the three options right there for this tool, WPD portable tool, and that's the first option of that's the first software of this video right there. Second app I want to go ahead and show you right here, it's the O&O Shut Up Windows 10, which is a great free and spyware tool right there. The only thing you do, I'll go ahead and provide you with the two links, and the only thing you do basically is you hit that download button right there, and then you execute it. They're both portable apps, the WPD app and this one as well. So let me go ahead and kind of expand this here real quick, and I'm not gonna take too long explaining what this is gonna do, but this is pretty much gonna go ahead and disable a lot of services that are currently running on Windows 10. And look at that. For example, Microsoft Edge Legacy version, disable tracking in the web, disable page prediction, disable search and website suggestion. You see that? And it'll ask you if you want to go ahead and create a restore point, just in case you want to go back and put everything as it was. So that's what you kind of have to go through all the options there, and kind of see how, you know, it runs after you probably disabled a couple of things, and then you want to go back and probably do a reboot and see how it's working, and you probably want to come back and see if you may want to go ahead and do a couple more, but you shouldn't have no problems. You know, it's very self-explanatory. On the other one, it gives you a question mark for every single one of them. Right here, it gives you the option to go ahead and create a restore point. So very, very safe, and these tools work perfectly fine. Okay, and that's all I wanted to go ahead and do today. Show you these two. Let me know how they work for you. So that'll do it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and hit me up on the comment section if you have any questions. Peace.